ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good morning everyone. How are you? Hope you all are safe at home and enjoy indoor activities, children. Isn't it? Children, today I am here to explain you ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers tells the position of an object. We use ordinal numbers to place an object in a proper manner. You like to see the things in a proper way or haphazard manner? Like to see the things in a proper way. So children, in class 1 you will learn only first to 10th ordinal numbers. See, this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. If you write 1, 2, 3 like this way, this is not ordinal number. These are called cardinal numbers. These are called cardinal numbers. But when you write first, second, third, these are called ordinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. Where you use ordinal numbers in day-to-day life, children, I'll tell you the very common example. When anybody is asking you what is date today, children, you always say today is 1 July, 2 July, 12 July. This is not the way. You must say in ordinal number. Today is 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July. In ordinal number, that is the correct way to say the dates. And when you play games, you never say he is 1, he is 2, he is 3. No, na. Always say he is first, he is second. This way, when race is there, car racing is there. See, this car, pink car is first, yellow car is second. Like this way. I hope you have understood this, children. You are very smart. Now, let's see what Preeti Madam wants to explain you. Thank you.
Hello children, hope you all are fit and healthy. Just now you have learned about cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers tells us the position of an object. Now let's see children, here we are having a race in the jungle among the animals. So while they are having the race, they are all having say different positions. See, like the tiger is in the first position. As we all know, the tiger runs fast, then lion, then in the third position there is a giraffe. So like this way different animals are having different position, and in ordinal numbers also we learned about the position of an objects. Now I will explain you the spellings of the ordinal numbers. Now see children, first the spelling of first is F-I-R-S-T. The spelling of second is S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Position of third, spelling of third is T-H-I-R-D, third. The spelling of fourth is F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. The spelling of fifth is F-I-F-T-H, fifth. The spelling of sixth is S-I-X-T-S, sixth. The spelling of seventh is S-E-V-E-N-T-S, seventh. The spelling of eighth is E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Spelling of ninth is N-I-N-T-H. And the spelling of tenth is T-E-N-T-H. So these are the spellings of ordinal numbers. You learn at home and practice them. Now students, in the previous video you have learned about abacus and expanded form. Let's have a quick revision on those topics. So let me start on abacus. So children, what is abacus? Abacus tells us about the place value of tens and ones. So children, see, today I will show you this abacus. This is how the abacus looks. And see, this in class 1 we will learn the ones place and the tens place. And as we will go to the higher classes, we will learn hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000 place and so on. So class 1 we will learn the ones place and tens place, and this is how we place the numbers in tens and ones in abacus. So hope student you have understood the topic abacus. Now let's move on to our next topic, expanded form. So what is expanded form? In expanded form we arrange the numbers or we break the numbers according to their place values. Now see children, if we take, let me explain you with the help of an example. Suppose the number is 26. So if we expand these numbers, then I will write it as 2 tens and 6 ones. 6 ones. So this I will explain you with the help of this ice cream sticks. Now see, in the first bundle I am having here 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks means 1 tens. So this we are having 10 sticks. So this is 1 tens. And in the next bundle also we are having 10 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the next bundle also we are having 10 sticks. So 1 tens plus 1 tens. So this is 2 tens, and in the ones place we are having 6. So here we will take 6 sticks. Okay. So 2 tens and 6 ones equals to 26. So this way we expand the numbers in expanded form. So students, hope you all have understood the abacus and expanded form. Hope everything is clear to you. You practice at home or whatever exercise is given to you. Stay at home safely, nicely. Thank you.